All right, so let me see. Now that we have our web page up and running, I need to show you what you need to do if you make a change to it. Guys, quiet down, please. So let's say I decide to make changes to this. Let's say I make this say inspirational quote. Oh, I'm not sharing? Okay. All right. So here on my site, it's live. Here I have my HTML file, and I'm changing favorite quote to say inspirational quote instead. Save it. If I hit refresh here, it's not going to change. Oh, I lost my image. That's weird. But anyway, this is not going to change because this is a live website. So I have to make sure that I'm looking at the local file. So there we go. So now it says inspirational quote. So I need to make this change into GitHub. So I'm going to go to GitHub. I'm going to go back to this repo. And if we look here, you can see it still says favorite quote. So what do I have to do? Good. Upload that new file. Okay, good. And then in my commit message, what should I say? Change title to inspirational quote. Commit. Now if we open it here, notice it says inspirational quote in master. I'm going to go to this, and it still says favorite quote. And that's because it didn't update in the GH pages branch. So it's two different files, basically. So when you push, it goes to master automatically. And the reason why this doesn't change is because you haven't given it permission to change this. So think of it as two separate files. Even though they look a lot alike, they're still separate. So in order for you to get GH pages to get the changes that you made, what you need to do is create what's called a pull request. So you're in master, make sure you're in GH pages, click on new pull request, and then you're going to compare changes. Right now it's comparing GH pages to GH pages, and it says there isn't anything to compare because they're exactly the same. So what you can do is make sure the base is GH pages and compare that to master. It'll say it's able to merge. It'll have that same commit message that you typed before, and you're going to click on create pull request. You're going to create that. Now you're going to actually merge them. So now when you click on merge, the master branch will, the GH pages branch will mirror exactly what it is on the master branch. So merge pull request and then click confirm. Now when you hit refresh, inspirational quote. I still don't know why my image isn't working. But the point is, that's how you get your changes to work on your live web page. Oh yes, that's working just fine. I don't understand why this isn't working. But anyway, that's not the point. The point is, that's how you make changes to your web page. Well, I mean, it's a kind of like a step to make sure that's exactly what you want. Sometimes you have a web page and then you want to make changes to it, but you're not done making those changes. So you can save it to master and then merge it when you feel like it's completely finished.